Hi guys, it's your favorite lady mechanic D. This video is on how to remove and fix your engine vacuum pump on your Ford Escape 2009 model. So that's the reason why I'm removing this pump, because it's having a serious engine oil leak from that area. So this the engine vacuum pump. So that's it. So the engine vacuum pump seal was not available for fast delivery. I had to improvise using my gasket gum. So easy peasy, I'm done fixing the engine vacuum pump. No more leakage, perfectly fine. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks so much.